Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the J22 Report. I'm your host, Johnny Market. You all know that drill. Hit that like button and subscribe if you already haven't. And just wanted to do a quick video, an update. The Trump trade, it's back. The stock market's rip roaring. Looks like even whoever the Elliotician said that it was going to 6K is right. It's right around there. I think it'll finish strong towards the end of the year. And even next year, I think it might do well. I think there will be more volatility next year. I think one or two things are going to happen. The Fed already cut rates. They're going to try to go back down to zero. They see the problems coming in the market. They see the problems in the economy. We go over them. Commercial real estate, consumer credit, auto loans, and residential housing. What I think is going to happen, and this would actually be in Trump's interest, is that in the next couple of months, now it's not an election year, they might be willing to show bad statistics, economic or admit. They already talked about a cooling labor market, but even worse. What I think could happen is in 6 months, I think inflation, if we don't see bad economic data per se, I think inflation is going to start heating up again. And that's why gold looks like it's topped out for now. But I think it'll really ratchet it up, and I think it's really next wave or whatever they call will start in a couple of months, maybe even sooner or whatnot. But that's what I think's happening now. I saw consumer sentiment super strong today, and I think that's because of Trump's victory. There's a lot more pro business talk. There's going to be no unrealized gains taxes. And so I think, and the market was pricing in a victory. Now they're pricing out any type of possibility of unrealized gains taxes, among others. So I think for the next couple of months, I still think we're going to have a lot of problems in the future. And we go over them all the time with the bubbles and whatnot. And a lot of these companies are not in good shape. But for now, looks like the market's still going up. This is euphoria, and this is what it looks like. And euphoria can last a lot longer than people think. So don't see any signs of a downtime yet, but I think gold has another run in it. Let's see if it hit my $2,700 target. This might be a correction because gold's gone up a lot this year, and I think next year will still be a good run. So anyway, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. Uh, in closing, I'm doing a couple of cool things. I'm working on TikTok channel. I'll do TikTok exclusives when I decide to release it to the public. It's already up, some of it, but when I decide to release it to the public, I will be doing that. And I do have an X handle account. When I decide to release that to the public, I will. But it's already there, so if you really want to search for it, you might be able to find it. I have the logo on it. TikTok, I posted 2 videos, but they're just of my cat. They're not really any. And yeah, don't forget if you haven't, I did a Rumble exclusive. What the Trump presidency it was. What can we expect? But you have to go on Rumble. It's not going to ever appear on YouTube. I might start doing specific exclusives. Well, I probably will in the future. So make sure to follow me everywhere because not everything will be on YouTube. So anyway, hit that like button, subscribe. And by the way, when I decide to release it in the public and start integrating it, it will be released here. And in the future, I'll probably have the handles of where you can find everything in me in these videos. So anyway, I hope you all have a nice weekend. Happy Veterans Day. Thank you for all those that have served. And all right, I will see you next video.